The question is, the equation kx square plus 4xy plus 5y square equal to 0 represents two lines inclined at an angle pi if k equal to, and your options are, the first option is 5 upon 4, second option is 4 upon 5, third option is minus 4 upon 5, and the fourth option is none of these. Here the question says the equation represents two lines. It means this represents a pair of straight line inclined with each other at an angle pi. It means those two lines are same line. Means we can say that those two lines are coincide each other. It means the condition is, if two lines coincide each other, the condition is h square minus ab equal to 0. So I am writing here the solution. Since lines are inclined with each other at an angle pi, so ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 will represent a pair of coincident line, and in this case the condition is h square minus ab is equal to 0. This is the condition. Now we will see here. Now since given line is kx square plus 4xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. Now by comparing this equation with the original equation, that is this one, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we can identify the value of a, h and b, and now we'll use this condition. So therefore using condition, and the condition is h square minus ab is equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the values of a, b and h. H is here 2, so it will be 2 square, minus a is k and b is 5. So it becomes here 5k is equal to 4, and hence k is equal to 4 upon 5. So according to the option, if you see, the option number second is the correct option. Hence we can write here, so option second is correct. I am taking the next question. So the question is, let a and b be non-zero real numbers. Then the equation ax square plus by square plus c into x square minus 5xy plus 6y square equal to 0 represents. And your options are 4 straight lines when c equal to 0 and a and b are of same sign. The second option is 2 straight lines and a circle when a equal to b and c is of sign opposite to that of a. Third option is 2 straight lines and a hyperbola when a and b are of the same sign and c is of sign opposite to that of a. And the fourth option is a circle and an ellipse when a and b are of the same sign and c is of sign opposite to that of a. This question already asked in IIT 2008. So first of all, I am writing here the equation. This equation is ax square plus by square plus c into x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. So, and now you have to check that this equation will represent which curve. So I'm writing here, because the product of two factor equal to 0, so therefore you can write ax square plus by square plus c is equal to 0 and x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. These are two curves. This is suppose 1 and this is suppose 2. Now we will check out here, because we don't know about the first equation, but we can with 100% surety we can say about the second equation that which curve will it represent, because of we know that the value of coefficient of x square, coefficient of xy, coefficient of y square. So here we will find out for equation number 2. We will find out h square minus ab. See, h is here minus 5 upon 2 whole square minus A is 1 and B is 6. So it becomes 25 by 4 minus 6, which comes to equal to 25 minus 24 by 4, and hence it is 1 by 4. So you can say h square minus ab is 1 by 4, which is greater than 0. It means equation number 2 will represent a pair of straight line passing through the origin. So now if you move on options, the first option, 4 straight lines, means this equation will represent 4 straight lines. Maybe. Second, this equation will represent 2 straight lines and a circle. Maybe. The third, that equation will represent 2 straight lines and a hyperbola. It may be also true. Now fourth, it will represent a circle and an ellipse. It 100% wrong, because the second equation will represent a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. It means the fourth option can't be true. Now we will see the first equation. Now for equation number 2, for this one, the equation is here ax square plus by square plus c is equal to 0. In the first option, 4 straight line, when c equal to 0 and a and b are of same sign, we will see here. If c equal to 0, this will vanish. A and b are of same sign, so either both are positive or both are negative. If both are negative, we can take minus sign common, and then again it becomes positive. X square is positive, y square is positive, it is written plus sign, and these two numbers are also positive. So if both are positive, plus sign is given, it means we can't factorize this quadratic polynomial into two linear factor. So this won't represent a pair of straight lines. Or you can find out just like this by finding h square minus ab. H is here 0, a and b are of opposite sign. Or you can find out by finding the value of h square minus ab. H is here 0, a and b are of same sign, so it becomes 0 square minus this ab becomes positive. 0 minus positive number will be less than 0, and hence this won't represent a pair of straight lines. Hence our first option also not possible. Now from the remaining two options, we will see which is the correct option. Again, I'm reading the second option and the third option. Second is 2 straight line, which is already, and a circle when a equal to b and c is of sign opposite to that of a. Now we will see here, when a equal to b and c will be of opposite sign that of a, means if a is negative, then c will be positive. If a is positive, then c will be negative. So from here we can write here ax square plus ay square is equal to minus c. So x square plus y square is equal to minus c upon a, because c and a have opposite sign, so minus c and a will be of same sign, and will be of same sign, so this whole result will be greater than 0. So this number we can write as a r square. Therefore we can write it x square plus y square is equal to r square, where r square is equal to minus c upon a. And this equation represents a circle. It means the given equation will represent two straight lines and a circle with the help of these given conditions. It means the second option is one of the option, but maybe third option can be true. So we will check the third option also, and in the third option the given condition is two straight lines and a hyperbola when a and b are of the same sign and c is of sign opposite to that of a. A and b are of the same sign and c is of opposite sign. So now we will take here, now if a and b are of same sign and c is of opposite sign. Then the equation ax square plus by square plus c is equal to 0 can be written as ax square plus by square equal to minus c. Now, so you can write a, b and minus c have same sign. Either all of these three will be positive or all of these three will be negative. Now we will check out that this will represent, here we can write ax square plus by square equal to minus c. Divide the both sides by minus c. Minus c here and minus c here. So it becomes x square upon minus c upon a plus y square upon minus c upon b is equal to 1. You know that this equation always represent an ellipse because it is written in the form of x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So it always represent an ellipse. It means this equation with the given conditions, with these given condition, it can't represent a hyperbola. It means the third option is also wrong. Hence, the correct option is the option number 2, that this equation will represent two straight lines and a circle when a equal to b and c is of sign opposite to that of a. So student, we can write here option number 2 is correct.